guys, welcome back to my channel Abomwada Biafra. In today's video I'm gonna be teaching you about English and Igbo vowels, okay, and the consonant as well, okay. So if you're joining me for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, okay. So today we're gonna be talking about vowels, okay, vowels, okay, vowels, harmony, okay, and consonants, okay. So at least let me touch a little bit grammar before we go back to our remaining vocabularies, okay. So I hope you guys are learning those vocabularies, okay, that are in my videos, okay, because that will help you when in your grammar, okay, because I will be going into grammar starting from today, okay. So vowel is Udaume in Igbo language, Udaume, okay. So vowels are letters. Vowels are letters in alphabet that are representing speech sounds, okay. So actually all words are written with a vowel letter in them, okay, both in English and Igbo words, okay. So without vowels, words will be difficult to pronounce, okay. That is to say that vowels are the sounds of every words, okay. I hope I'm making sense, okay. So Igbo vowels are shared into two groups: heavy vowels and light vowels, okay. Heavy vowels are called Udaume Aro in Igbo language, okay, while light vowels are called Udaume Mfe in Igbo language. So Udaume, the light vowel, that is Udaume Mfe, has they have dots underneath. They have dots underneath, okay. So and that is how to identify them, okay. And they are also known as a group. They belong to a group, okay. While heavy vowels are known as a group. They belong to a group, okay. I will be showing you that soon, okay. So Igbo words have what is called vowel harmony. Are you getting me? Igbo words, they have what we call vowel harmony, okay. Vowel harmony is a kind of vowel combination that are used in Igbo words, okay, and that is how Igbo words are being written, okay, or are being spelled, okay, and that is how they are being pronounced, okay, as well, okay. So in Igbo vowel harmony, in Igbo, let me say in Igbo vowel harmony, okay, vowels are used in between consonants, okay. They are used in between consonants, that is in between letters of the alphabet known as consonants, okay. So sometimes they are used at the beginning of words, and and at the end of words. Okay, so you need to know the difference between consonant and vowels. Okay, so consonants are non-vowel letters of the alphabet. Okay, so if apart from the vowels, the remaining letters, that's what I'm trying to say here, the remaining, when you remove the vowel from the Igbo alphabet, the remaining, or English alphabet, the remaining ones are known as consonants. Okay, so consonant is Mgbochiume in Igbo language. Okay, and then Igbo alphabet, they has 36 letters. Okay, let me explain first before I show you. Okay, they have 36 letters, and these 36 letters, 8 of them are vowels. Okay, out of the 36 letters of Igbo alphabet, 8 of them are vowel, while 28 of them are consonants. Okay, let's take a look at the English alphabet. Okay, so we can compare. English alphabet, has English alphabet. They has 26 letters. Okay, 26 letters. Okay, so and out of the 26 letters, 5 of them are vowels. 5 of them are vowels, while 21 of them are consonants. Okay, you can see the difference. Okay, so let's go straight to the board. Okay, let me show you straight on my board. Okay, I dropped something on the board here. Okay, so this is a ABD Igbo alphabet. This is ABD Igbo alphabet. Okay, so A, E, O, U, O. You can see they have dots underneath. Okay, so they belong to this A. Okay, E, all these that they have all these letters that have dots underneath. They belong to 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 belongs to Udaume mfe. Okay, that's a light vowel. Okay, while they belong to A group. Okay, while A group E, O, U. Okay, U. A, E, O, U. Okay, so these 4 belongs to A group. That's E, A, E, O, U. Okay, so the remaining are known as a consonant. Okay, that's B, Chi, D. Fi, Gi, We, Ye. Gwi, He. Ji, Ke, Bi, Kwe. Li, Mi, Ni, Nge, Nye. Pi, Re, Si, Shi, Ti. Vi, Wi, Ye, Ze. Okay, so that is it. So okay, let's see where I pull them out. Okay, 8 Igbo vowels. That's vowels known as Udaume. Okay, so we have 8 of them here. A, E, I, O, U, O. Okay, this is the capital letter and this small letter. Okay, this small letter A, E, O, U, O. Okay, let me show you what you use to know the let me give you a reading that will help you to remember these vowels. Okay, you follow me. Okay, A, E, O, U, O. A, E, O, U, O. A, E, O, U, O. Okay? A, E, O, U, O. Okay? So that's how you can remember these Igbo vowels. Okay? So you see the Udaume arrow and the Udaume mfe. Okay? The heavy vowel and the light vowel. Okay? Heavy in Igbo language is arrow. Light in Igbo language is mfe. Okay, arrow and the mfe. Okay, heavy and light. Okay, so there's a group. A group. E, O, U. O, U. U. In Igbo, U is U. Okay, so this is belongs to a group. Okay, that's arrow. Okay, a group. Well, this group is this is a group. Sorry, a group. Okay, A, E, O, U. Okay, A, E, O, U. Okay, so Udaume mfe is another group. That's a group. This is a group. This is a group. Okay. E, O, U. E, O. E, O, O. E, O, O. While this is A, E, O, U. Okay. A, E, O, O. Okay. This they belong to a group. Okay, so this group of Igbo alphabet of vowels, goes the words of Igbo words go according to the group. The vowels are mixed according to the group. Okay, they don't mix this with this. Okay, in a word. Though we have exceptions, I will show you example. Okay, and I will teach you that in another video. Okay, so they don't mix the words. They don't mix it the vowels in the words. In a particular word they use a particular group. Okay, to mix it up. So in a particular word they use these two groups. Okay, let me show you example, and that is what we call vowel harmony. Okay, the ones that go with this group and the one that go with this group. Okay, some go with this group, some go with this group. Okay, that is vowel harmony. Okay, so this vowel harmony. So example of Udaume arrow. Okay, the heavy vowel. Okay, example, remember this is Udaume arrow, the group. Okay, Eke, you see the spelling, all belongs to this group. A belongs to this group. Okay, so K is just a consonant. Okay, it's a consonant. Okay, so remember I told you that consonant goes in between vowels. Consonant goes in between vowels in Igbo words. Okay, it's different from English words. Okay, so consonant is like a must. Okay, it goes in between. Okay, like you see here, Oji. Eke is the market, the first market of the Igbo market. I taught you in last video. Okay, so Oji is black. Oji is black. Okay, in Igbo, in English, black. Okay, Oji. Okay, so you see, O is from here, this group. E, this is vowel. Okay, E from here, okay, from this group. Okay, it didn't mix up with this. Okay, that is it. So G is a consonant. Okay, so you see this is having 5 letters. Okay, so I use it to give you example about this consonant. Consonant goes in between. Okay, OCC. OCC, okay, you see O belongs to this group. C is a consonant. E belongs to this group also. S is consonant. E also from here. So it didn't mix with this. Okay, that's why they call it vowel harmony. Okay, it goes with his group. They go with their group. Okay. So like that. Okay, so Udaume mfe, example is like OCC is a tree. Remember, OCC is tree. Okay, so Oka is corn. Okay, corn or is Oka. Okay, so Oka, you see, this O belongs to this group, our group. Okay, K is a consonant. A belongs to this group. Okay, Oji is kola nut. Oji is kola nut. Okay, so O belongs to this group. G is a consonant. E belongs to this group. So you can see Ocha is white. Ocha, white or clean. Okay, Ocha is white, or some places you can use as a clean. Okay, so O, you see, belongs to this group. Chi is a consonant. Okay, A belongs to this group. Okay, it's like that. So we have some exceptional. I will show you now example, but let's finish up. Okay, we have Ototo. Ototo is morning in Igbo, in the English language. Ototo. Okay, you see O belongs to this group. T is a consonant. O belongs to this group. The same group. Okay, it's like that. Okay, Abali is a night. Okay, A belongs to this group. B is a consonant. A belongs to this group. Le is a consonant. You can use it, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. That's how to write Igbo language. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel is like that. Or vowel, consonant, vowel, you know, like that. They go like that. So that's how to write Igbo language, and that's how to pronounce them. Okay, remember the vowels are the sound in the words. Okay, so that's they create sound in any words. Okay, so li, e, you see, abale. So you cannot say e. So when it's mixed, you check out to know whether your sentence is correct. Okay, though we have some exception, but when it's mixed, like maybe I put a b a le e, maybe I put e, you have to check because maybe it's wrong. Okay, it's like that. So it shows that your sentence is
your words, maybe the spelling is not correct. Okay, so once you see this R group, know that it has dot. They will have dot. It will follow with something with dot. Okay, once you see A, you know that everything there, okay, that you made a mistake. Okay, that it cannot be E. When you put abali, if you don't put this dot, I will know that it's wrong. I will check it out and know whether it's among the exceptions. Okay, so that, let me show you example of exception. Okay, like Udaume, you see Udaume, you know this is and these exceptions means that there are two words joined together. Most of them are two words joined together. That's why they you can see mixed up. Okay, see u and a. Okay, you see u here, a here is mixed up. Okay, why is this mixed up? Because it shows that there are two words together. That's how to know that these words are joined together. Though we have some exceptions, but few. Okay, but when you see something like this, you know that this order is a different word, and this ume, or that there is a different thing. Okay, because it's not actually order. Order has okay, order has something. Okay, are you seeing? Okay, so order has something here. Okay, sorry, I omitted that. Okay, order has a dot here. Okay, so when you look at this, you should know that these are two words. Okay, there are two words. Order goes with a group of mfe, Udaume mfe. Okay, it goes with this group, while ume goes with this. Okay, so it means that there are two words joined together. Okay, that's how to know. Okay, but you know they join it together here as a noun. They are trying to this is a name of this group of vowel. Is their name of this group of vowel, so they use it as a name, so that's why they join it together, okay, to form a name of this group. So when you see like ezinụlọ, the last video I taught you about family. Okay, the ezinụlọ, you check out what I'm trying to say here. Okay, so they join it, but it means now Udaume here is a noun. A noun, that's a name of this group of vowel. Okay, but naturally there are two words, order and ume. Okay, order means sound. Ume means let's say breathe. Okay, that's order. Ume. Okay, so order is a sound, while ume is like breathing. Okay, so breathing is a verb. Okay, so this order is helping this verb, that is adverb. Okay, this order is adverb. When you call order ume is like breathing. Okay, sound of breathing, something like that, sound of breathing. So now they want to use this sound of breathing as a name, so that's why they put it together, so it makes forms a name. Okay, something like that. Okay, so here is just two words. Okay, so this is the correct way. Okay, so when you see it like this, you know that is a noun. Maybe they are trying to use it as a name of something. Okay, or trying to explain about it as a name, okay, given to something, okay. So but naturally this is the way to write Oda. The sound is Oda in Igbo language. Oda sound, okay. Ume is breathing, okay, breathing, okay. Okay, so that is it. So let me quickly show you about English stuff, okay. English vowel, they have 5 English vowel, like I told you. So see it here, pure vowel. We call it pure vowels, okay, because we have some of the vowels like Y and W that are semi vowels, okay. At times they can come in as a vowel, okay. But I will this one I will teach you if there is time for that in another place, okay. So pure vowel, okay, 5 English vowels, okay. They are A, E, I, O, U, okay, just 5 of them, okay. And they have 21 consonants, 21 consonants, including this Y and W, okay. They are consonants, but at times sometimes they appear in words as a vowel. So that's why we call them 2 semi vowels, 2 semi vowels, okay. Y and W in English language. This is English language, okay. Okay, so they have 21 English consonants, including this Y and W, okay. They are consonants, but at times they act as a vowel. That's why we call semi-vowel in English language, okay. So thumbs up if you like this video, okay. So introduce this channel to your friends, okay, and especially those of them in Igbo land, okay, that do English, that do Igbo subjects in their school, okay. This will help them because this is a central Igbo tutorial, okay guys, okay. Thumbs up and like my video, okay, and take care. God bless you, okay. Keep watching, I have a lot for you, okay guys, okay, bye, thanks.